Good morning, everyone. Haha, good to kind of connect with you all again. Hope you're all doing well and coping with this online craziness. Right, so I thought I'd make you a few videos, and to start with, today we are going to make the if statement. What I recommend you do is I will talk you through the video. Obviously, you can watch mine, but I would have the video playing and then I would pause it and then do the task, do it bit by bit. Okay, so if you could open onto your predictions page. Also, whatever we do today, please add to your project log and also your test plan. What I'm thinking of doing, if this video works, I'll do a little video about test plans and decisions tables and everything else we've got left. But let's see how this one goes. Okay, so the first thing we want to do today is our if statement. So we are going to use an if statement to say if we are making a profit, a loss, or a break even. So if you could click in this box, if you've got a box, or you can put it anywhere really, but we're going to be working with this cell here to say if we've got a profit. So I'm just going to type, we are making a let's actually say we are making, just thinking about break even because it would not make sense to say we are making a break even. Actually, let's just put me making a, doesn't matter. Okay, then click into this box here, and that's where we're going to put our if statement. So we're going to use the FX tool to do our if statement first, and then we're going to add some typing to it. So we're just going to go there. If it's in most recently used, that's fine. If not, go into all and then scroll till you find it. So it's going to be the if statement. Now we need to give it a statement, and then if it's true, what it's going to do, or if it's false, what it's going to do. So we're going to say we want this cell here, and if this cell is greater than 0, in other words, we're making some money, then over here we're going to write profit. And then underneath we're going to write loss, okay, because if we're not making a profit, we're making a loss. Alright, so, and that's pretty much it. Now you can test this, obviously we can undo it, but you can test this by saying -1, and then it will say loss, okay. Obviously undo that because we want the formula still in there. Now, you would have heard me say just now about a break even. So what that means is when this is 0. Okay, so what we're going to add is we're going to click into this cell here. If you're happy at that stage just to leave that like that, that's fine. If you want to add the break even on, then add this bit here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click after the comma. Okay, and then you're going to add a new if statement. So you're going to write if, open brackets, click on the L9 and say it's equal to, and you're going to write the word, no you're not. If it's equal to 0, then, the comma again, now you're going to write the word break even. Alright, and put another comma in. Now you will need another bracket because we've got a bracket there and a bracket there. So we'll need another closing bracket, and we can push enter. Now if we make it 0, it should say break even. I think break even actually has a dash, but anyway. Alright, so now we want it to show up nicely, so we're going to use conditional formatting. So we're going to say highlight cells equal to, and the word profit, and if it's a profit then we want it to be nice and green. We want to do it again, so you're going to say highlight cells equal to, and say loss. If it's a loss we want it to be red, so that's fine. And then lastly break even, and please spell it correctly, so highlight cells equal to break even, spell it exactly like you did if you put a dash in, and this one I'm going to make yellow. So again we can quickly test that. So if it's a 0, you can see it says break even in yellow. If it's a -1, it says loss in red. Okay, so please undo those two. Please have a go at adding the if statement and adding the conditional formatting, and then add both to your project log and both to your test plan.